This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, May the 31st, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a batch of thunderstorms located from Minnesota into the Dakotas, Nebraska, Kansas, and into Oklahoma and Texas, with a cold front moving eastward. This will be through the state this morning and east of the state this afternoon. It's a watch warning map from just before 1 o'clock in the morning. You can see the tornado and severe thunderstorm watches were until 2 in the morning. Some flood issues in North Dakota and Montana, some winter weather issues over Montana, and some wind advisories scattered about the country. Here's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. A slight risk of severe weather from the eastern part of Iowa through northern Illinois, northern Indiana, northwest Ohio, and the eastern parts of Wisconsin, and eastern parts of upper Michigan, with lower Michigan in a moderate risk. Here's day 2 for Wednesday and Wednesday night. A slight risk of severe weather for the western half of Iowa, southwest Minnesota, eastern South Dakota, into Nebraska, Kansas, and into the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandle, with another slight risk area from northeastern Georgia and northwestern South Carolina northeastward into New England. If we take a look at the probability outlook of the severe weather, a black hatched area over South Dakota, Nebraska, and western Iowa, that could mean that is outlook for significant severe weather, so a mesoscale convective system could be possible. Let's take a look at the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. This takes into account any rain that fell last night. You can see rainfall amounts from 1/10 of an inch over the south to upwards of 1.5 inches over the north. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a vortex north of the state with a trough, another one over the Pacific Northwest, a huge heat ridge over the south and southeastern part of the country. The surface, the low will be near Winnipeg. The front will be east of the state by this point, so the severe weather threat will be east of the state in the afternoon hours. We head off into Wednesday. That front is still as well to the east, but it begins to build back as a warm front late Wednesday night into Thursday that could bring a mesoscale convective system. Here's Thursday afternoon. You can see the model shows some precipitation. This could be the remnants of a possible overnight mesoscale convective system moving through the state. By Friday, that's gone. Warm air returns. Temperatures will be likely near 90 or above that, with strong or breezy southerly winds and heat and humidity. Saturday, same story. Hot, humid. Maybe a popcorn shower here and there. Highs around 90 or a degree or two on either side. Sunday, model shows some precipitation around. This will likely be afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Not everybody will see the rain. Likely a 20% chance. Monday, there still could be a chance of a shower or thunderstorm, but the chances will be much less than they were on Sunday. Highs still in the upper 80s to near 90. And a week from today, you can see some more precipitation in the area as a front will be close by, with a low pressure forming in Montana and Wyoming. We head off into Voodoo Country. Here's June the 11th. You can see a fairly zonal flow, but fairly benign across the country, with no real troughs and ridges around the surface that shows a fairly benign pattern. Some showers and thunderstorm chances around. This will mainly be the summertime afternoon thunderstorm. And then at the end of the forecast period on June the 15th, you can see a zonal flow over the country, but the main flow will be into Canada. So with that, summertime showers and thunderstorms is what this model shows. So nothing's really going to change as we head off into the summer months across the state. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.